How to design a timeline using birthdays in Español 1. The objective of the class is to exchange information about birthdays. Bienvenidos todos mis estudiantes. What I'm doing now is code switching, English and Spanish. You will be able to do that someday. Good. Reading a student's paper when they use Google Translate. All right, let's see how is that thing. Okay, let's see. What the fui? Fuiste, fue, fuimos, fueron. Am I reading? This is how some people translate using Google Translate. All right. As you can see here, guys, it's the same when you do that on the other way around. When you translate from English to Spanish, you're going to find something like this. Can you understand this? The same happens to me when I'm trying to read your papers when you use Google Translate. All right. The last one, there you go. Hola, clase de Español 1. Creswell High School, clase de Mr. Martínez, estudiante, periodo, fecha. La línea del tiempo de los cumpleaños, timeline of birthdays. All right. Complete the timeline with 10 people's birthdays. Checkbook, page 171 on YouTube video. Okay, for more information. All right. A, write your one birthday, your birthday. B, write 5 family members' birthdays. C, write 2 friends' birthdays. D, write 1 CHS teacher or administrator's birthday. E, write your favorite celebrity birthday. Color your categories and family, friend, famous, or friends. Sorry, friends is here. Total 10 birthdays. Spanish dates are day, month, year in English. Month, day, year. It's different, right? Look at this. Spanish. The dates are given by this way. Day, month, and year. And in English is on the other way around. Month, day, and year. All right, this is what you have to do. In the form that you're going to be given by Mr. Martinez, you're going to get this. All right, this is a writer. That is my famous personage, my celebrity. He won a Nobel Prize in Literature. He's from Colombia, my country. Gabriel Garcia Marquez is a writer. He was born on the 23rd of January 1935. Okay, family members. I got my dad, who was born on February the 17th of 1940. Then my sister. Then my friend Carrie Days. She lives in Virginia, Newport News. She's, oh my God, she's my mother in the United States. She has given me a lot of help, support, and a lot of things here. Mauricio Martinez, that's me. That's me because it's my birthday. Nelson Larde is another friend. Friend. 2 friends. Already covered my 2 friends. Carrie is one friend, and Nelson another friend. Okay, so Miriam is my wife. She was born on March, the 15th of March, 1970. Fernando Martinez is my brother, mi hermano. Then CHS administrator or teacher, Dr. Shirley Antonis Gamble. CHS, this information is not accurate. You can invent the information. All right, and Valentina Martinez is my niece. Important, guys, that you make the list before you start writing your timetable. Why? Because you're going to get confused. It's better just to make the list first on the back of this paper maybe, or you can use an extra paper. Make the list of the people, make the list of the dates. You can invent the dates if you don't know them. And you just, when you are done with everything, you organize them in chronological order. So this is 35, 40, 50, 55, 60, 65, 70, 71, 75, and 90. So in that order, past to the present. Once you have already completed this information, you're going to be doing this. Number 2, Ask and answer 10 questions. Model says, ¿cuál es la fecha de nacimiento de la doctora Gamble? Remember guys, I'm just reading up this information. This information is not accurate. So the answer is, su fecha de nacimiento es el 23 de septiembre de 1975. I got this clue here so you can get what I'm talking about. When is Dr. Gamble's birthday? Possessive. Her birthday, su cumpleaños, is on the 23rd of September 1975. So you're going to do following the model with my celebrity. Okay, what's your celebrity? Maybe a rapper? Maybe a basketball player? Maybe a dancer? Who is your favorite celebrity? Okay, it all depends on when you're going to put it. I put my celebrity here because according to the date, he was the first person to be born, so he's gonna be here. But maybe your celebrity was born here and your dad was before. That's why it's important that you make the list before you start putting all the information in the boxes. Number 2. ¿Cuál es la fecha de nacimiento de Fernando Martínez padre? When is Fernando Martínez, my father's birthday? Su fecha de nacimiento es el 27 de febrero de 1940. Número 3. This is my father. ¿Cuál es la fecha de nacimiento de Margarita Martínez? My sister. It's right here. So, su fecha de nacimiento es el 4 de octubre de 1950. Alright? So, and you complete number 4, number 5, number 6, and up to number 10. Okay? This is my example. They just give you the model. Alright? Basically, that's the thing you're gonna do. You're going to be given this form today. The same information. It's completely white, blank. So you need to complete all the information. Right, don't forget, in pairs, orally present one birthday to your teacher. Okay? For example, I'm gonna pick this one. One person is gonna say, ¿cuál es la fecha de nacimiento de your famous person? Or maybe your dad, or maybe your sister. And then, su fecha de nacimiento es, and then the date. Okay? That is 100, minor grade, oral. Remember guys, this 4th term, we are speaking in Spanish. Simple things, but speaking in Spanish. Alright guys, so that's the word for today. I hope you can learn something, okay, about birthdays, about possessives, about the dates, about the numbers, and everything is right there. The do now has the numbers. Alright guys, have a good day and see you soon. Bye-bye.